As our magic NCRT dissection. First, largest known human gene is dystrophin. How many bases? 2.4 million bases. Second, sequence annotation. Sequence annotation is the whole set of genome that contain कोडिंग एंड नॉन कोडिंग सीक्वेंस. इसे आप देख सकते हो ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट में, मेथोडोलॉजी ऑफ एचजीपी में, एक्सप्रेस सीक्वेंस टैग एंड सीक्वेंस एनोटेशन. थर्ड, promoter is a DNA sequence that provides binding site for RNA polymerase. कि RNA polymerase binds to which region of DNA? Correct answer is promoter. Next, phosphorus and sulfur cycle are example of sedimentary cycle. Most important, phosphorus cycle. Darwinian variation are slow or gradual and resulted in evolution. Both DNA and RNA acts as genetic material. DNA is better for storage, but RNA is better for transmission of genetic material. The greatest biodiversity on Earth is present in Amazon rainforest in South America. Decomposition rate is slower if detritus is rich in lignin and chitin, and quicker if rich in nitrogen and sugar. Abandoned tortoise in Galapagos Island became extinct when goats were introduced. Sacred groups are found in Khasi and Jaintia hills in Meghalaya, Aravalli hills राजस्थान, वेस्टर्न घाट इन कर्नाटका. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन बन सकता है कि अरावली हिल्स राजस्थान, खासी जयंतिया हिल्स मेघालय सेक्रेड ग्रुप्स हैं. रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन स्पीसीज रिचनेस एंड एरिया इज फाउंड टू बी रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय लॉगरिथमिक इक्वेशन log s equal to log c plus z log a. S species richness, C y intercept, J regression coefficient, A area. In rDNA technology, DNA can be precipitated by treating with chilled ethanol. Bottled juice are clarified by pectinase and protease. Wine and beer produced without distillation. आप इसको WBC करके याद कर सकते हो. Wine and beer without distillation. Alexander Fleming worked on Staphylococcus bacteria. Penicillium notatum आपको याद होगा. सेरेंडिपिटी का केस था एंटीबायोटिक्स का डिस्कवरी. तो क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग किस पे वर्क कर रहे थे? स्टेफाइलोकोकस बैक्टीरिया. Cheese is one of the oldest food item in which microbes were used. Particular flavor of Roquefort cheese is due to fungi. Fungi का नाम भी याद रखें, Penicillium roqueforti. Toddy is made by fermenting sap from palm. Ladybird and dragonfly are used in control of एफिड एंड मॉस्क्यूटो. लेडीबर्ड एफिड को कंट्रोल करता है, ड्रैगन फ्लाई मॉस्क्यूटो को कंट्रोल करता है. एक तरीके का प्रीडेटर प्रे रिलेशनशिप है. प्रीडेशन का एग्जाम्पल भी है. इन पैडी फील्ड BGA आर इम्पॉर्टेंट बायो फर्टिलाइजर. व्हेन मोर देन वन एडेप्टिव रेडिएशन appear to have occurred in an isolated geographical area, this is called convergent evolution. Adenovirus causes respiratory infection. IARI developed iron and calcium rich spinach and bhatua. प्रभानी क्रांति is related with भिंडी. भिंडी का बॉटनिकल नेम याद रखना, एबेलमोस्कस स्कुलेंटस. In mung bean resistant to yellow mosaic virus. and powdery mildew were introduced by mutation. Most important, resistant to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew were introduced by mutation. Pusa komal is a variety of cowpea resistant to bacterial blight. 3 questions. Hisardale is a new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaneri ewe and Merino rams. In HIV infection, person starts suffering from bacteria, mycobacterium and protozoa toxoplasma. तो इसमें आपको टॉक्सोप्लाज्मा प्रोटोजोवन का एग्जाम्पल याद करना पड़ेगा. Spleen is a bean-shaped organ. Hepatitis B vaccine produced from yeast. Gambusia fish feed mosquito larvae and controlling malaria. Dengue and chikungunya are transmitted by female Aedes mosquito. Skull of baby chimpanzee is more like adult human than adult chimpanzee skull. Founder effect is related with genetic drift. Sum total of different kinds of gene by all the members of population forms gene pool. Single step large mutation are called saltation. tRNA which bears AUG anticodon binds tyrosine amino acid. UGG codon codes tryptophan amino acid. As you know, tryptophan and methionine are coded by single codon. Don't follow degeneracy rule. AUG methionine and UGG tryptophan. Structural genes in polycystonic in prokaryotes and monocystonic in eukaryotes. Western Ghat and Sri Lanka, Indo-Burma and Eastern Himalaya represents hot spot. dB is a measurement unit of noise pollution, decibel. Euchromatin loosely packed, light stain, transcriptionally active, while heterochromatin densely packed, dark stain, inactive. Histones are rich in basic amino acid lysine and arginine. Length of DNA is defined as number of nucleotides present in it. In Drosophila, white and miniature wings shows 37.2% recombination. Dominant flower position is axial. Sperm is directly injected into ovum in ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971. Primary oocyte completes first meiosis in tertiary follicle.